Here's how to draw a rose. Start with a small oval, then draw a shape kind of like a wine glass. Draw an S-shaped line from one edge up and over the top of the oval. Do it again on the other side, but start that line from the line you just drew. Draw lines on both sides to form the edges of the petals. Repeat that 2 more times to form the inner petals and a little hill shape in the very center. Draw curved lines like this to show the petal curving over. Repeat drawing that S shape again to form an outer petal. Draw a line that just wraps around close to the shape, then another S shape that starts from the line you just drew. Lightly erase the sketch and draw over the existing line using more organic curves. The top edges of the petal should be a little wavy. For the stem and sepals, draw a circle at the bottom with 4 upwardly curved lines. Draw over the lines with pointy petal shapes and then draw the stem. And now your rose sketch is done. Color and finish however you'd like. Disclaimer, roses are really difficult, so don't feel bad if you struggle with this one. I drew this rose about 15 times before recording this video. Have fun drawing roses and happy art making!